Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Electronics Arena. I am going to deal with the subject Signals and Systems. So before entering into the subject, I would like to give a little bit introduction on this subject, like what are the applications, in which field or area we are going to use this signals and systems. So in this modern age of microelectronics, signals and systems play a very vital role. So this subject is an extraordinary subject with diverse applications in the area of science and technology, such as circuit design, seismology communications, biomedical engineering, energy generation and distribution, speech processing, etc. Coming to the image processing, it is concerned with the analysis and synthesis of signals and their integration with the systems. So both image processing and signal processing come under the applications of signals and systems. The other applications, if we say, it may be video streaming, cellular networks and medical scans such as MRI and all. Therefore, it is essential that every practicing engineer and designer must have a thorough knowledge of this subject. Understanding of signals and systems is also must for the study of other parts of engineering such as signal processing and control systems. If we come to signal processing, maybe digital signal processing, analog signal processing, antennas and wave propagation, there are so many subjects in the later semesters which serves as the next step for this signals and systems. So before going to the next part of this signals and systems, let us discuss what is basically a signal. A signal may be a function of time, temperature, position, pressure and distance, etc. So, in other words, a signal is a description of how one parameter varies with the other parameter. Examples in our daily life for a signal is music, speech, picture and video signals. If we define signal in a mathematical form or in some another form, we can say it as a function of one or more independent variables which contain some information is called a signal. In electrical sense, the signal can be a voltage or a current. The voltage or a current is a function of time as an independent variable. Many signals that we come across naturally generated signals. However, few signals are generated synthetically. Signals can be one-dimensional or multi-dimensional. One-dimensional signal depends on a single variable, whereas multi-dimensional signals can be depend on two or more variables. So these are just about signals and the type of signals broadly. Okay, thank you. Next tune for the next part of my subject in the next video. Thank you for watching.